Hello, my YouTube friends. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my video on how to make money in this saturated environment. With so many people today starting businesses and offering similar products or services, it can be rather challenging to stand out and make a profit. But with the right mindset and strategies, it's still possible to succeed. So, based on my experience outside of YouTube, as you know, YouTube isn't just a hobby, and I really like sharing with you here. I would like to share some tips on how to make money in a saturated environment. So, if this is something that interests you, keep on watching. First and foremost, on how to make money in a saturated market, find your niche. So, instead of trying to appeal to everyone, focus on a specific niche that you're passionate about and you can provide a unique value to. This will help you differentiate yourself from the competition and attract a dedicated audience. For instance, if you offer general marketing services, instead of doing that, you could focus on providing social media marketing, specifically for small businesses in the food industry, for example. Another way to make money in the saturated market is to offer something different or better. Now, identify what your competition is offering and find ways to differentiate yourself by offering something that's different or better. This could be a unique feature, a better customer experience, or a more affordable price. For instance, you could offer a better customer experience than your competitors by providing personalized support and quick response times. Another way is by building relationships with your customers. Create a strong bond with your customers by engaging with them on social media, responding to their feedback, and providing personalized support. This will help you build a loyal customer base that's more likely to refer others to your business. For example, you could engage with customers on social media by responding to their comments and messages and share user generated content. Another way that you can make money in this saturated environment is by collaborating with others. Build relationships with other businesses or influencers your industry by collaborating on projects or cross promoting each other's products or services. This could help you reach a wider audience and tap into new markets. So, for instance, you could partner with a complementary business to offer a bundled product or service, or you could collaborate with an influencer to promote your brand. Now, another tip is diversify your income streams. Don't rely just on one source of income. Consider offering different products or services, creating passive income streams like digital products, or even investing in stocks or real estate. For instance, let's say if you're a freelance writer, you could offer editing services, right? Write ebooks or invest in the stock market or diversify your income. Last tip for you is keep learning and adapting. My YouTube friends, stay up to date with industry trends. If this topic is really important to you, right? New technologies and best practices, stay up to date with them. Continuously learn and adapt your strategies to stay ahead of the competition and provide the best value for your customers. You can do this by attending industry conferences, read industry blogs, or take courses to stay update with the latest trends and best practices in your industry. My friends, remember, success in a saturated environment takes hard work, dedication, and creativity. But with the right mindset and strategies, you can stand out and thrive in your industry. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips help you on your journey towards making money in this saturated environment. I'll see you in the next video.